Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. In my hands I have the Gshock DW9052 and I'm gonna show you how to set the time and date. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, press the adjust button once and the seconds begin to flash, which means that we are in the mode of setting our watch. Now we are in the position of setting our seconds value, but you cannot set the exact value of seconds. What you can do is reset that value to 0 simply by pressing the start or stop button, and it will go to 0. Once we have resetted our seconds value, press the mode button and the hours begin to flash. Now whilst there, you can shuffle between 12 or 24-hour time format by pressing this illumination button, and it will shuffle between, in this case, 12-hour time format and 24-hour time format. Also, it will be indicated on this part of the here. Currently it says 24, and the P is whilst your watch is in the PM region for 12-hour time format. I'm gonna leave it at 24-hour time format. So the hours are flashing. Now we can set our hour value by pressing the start or stop button in increments of 1 until we get it to our time that is in our time zone. So in my time zone it is 22 o'clock and we have set our hour value. Press the mode button. The flashing moves on to minutes value. Now press the start or stop button to shuffle the minutes value. Press and hold it to engage fast rotation of your digits, so you get faster to your designated time. In my time zone it is 22:05 and I'm gonna set it to 22:05. Next up, press the mode button and we move on to setting our year value. Number 22 is flashing on the upper digital display and I can shuffle it by pressing the start or stop button. Pressing and holding it will engage again fast rotation of our numerical value, and letting it go will stop fast rotation. So I'm gonna get it back to 2022 since that is the current year, and once I've set my year value I'm gonna press the mode button and we enter the setting of our month value. Now procedure is the same. Press the start button in increments of 1 to shuffle your month value from 1 to 12, and each corresponds to your month. Number 12 corresponds to December. Once we have set our month value, press the mode button and the flashing moves on to our day value. It is flashing 26, but I can shuffle it by pressing the start stop button. Pressing and holding it rotates the values between 1 and 31, and again I'm gonna leave it at 26th because that is the current date in my time zone. Press the mode button again. As you can see, we are back at the beginning, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting our time and date. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button once and the watch will implement the settings that we have just ran through. Basically, it means that we have set our time and date. And before ending this video, I'm going to show you the cool feature about the backlight, and that is basically the feature that the watch will illuminate once your countdown time reaches 0, hourly time signal, or the alarm sounds off. So it will be illuminated correspondingly with those tunes. To turn it on, simply press and hold this button over here, start stop button, and it will be shown on this digital display. This means that our backlight is turned on. To turn it off, simply press and hold it again, and now it's off. And with that, I've ran through the cycle of setting the time and date and backlight function. That was another tutorial video on my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.